Oh, hi there! You look like somebody who enjoys a finely decorated holiday. Well, have we got the Chalk Couture collection for you? The Holiday 2021 Starter Kit for brand new designers includes a bundle of festive goodies, as well as all the starter style products you're gonna need to create a unique, high-end, and glorious holiday home and a fresh new business adventure. The kit is available September 1 through November 30th, and here's what it includes. 6 of Chalk Couture's signature mesh silkscreen transfer designs in holiday and everyday designs so that they will look amazing in so many projects. Plus, you're also going to get our exclusive Club Couture Transfer of the Month. Transfers can be used to add a chalky touch to basically anything that's standing still. We especially love them on Chalk Couture's exclusive surfaces. Your kit is going to include 3 trendy, chalk-friendly surfaces that are straight off of Santa's nice list. Oh, and don't forget the amazing tools. Tools like our signature fuzzing cloth, the multi-tool, the small squeegee, the mini squeegees, the color trays, they're all here. With this starter kit, you'll be all set to skillfully build and demo every project, beginning to end, to friends or on social media. It's even better than an elf in Santa's workshop. Why else grab a starter kit now? Well, this kit is your key to becoming an independent designer at Chalk Couture. Designers get the gift of sharing Chalk Couture with everyone they know and earn while they do it. And showing off those homemade projects will be easier than ever as your family, your coworkers, and your social media friends start thinking about holiday decor. Our standard starter kit is a perfect way to begin. And with approximately $240 US, that's nearly 330 Canadian in retail value, it is deeply discounted, just $99 US or 127 Canadian plus shipping. But we now offer an even new, more affordable way to become a designer. It's our Business Basics Starter Kit, just $19 US, and it includes a startup guide, catalog, apron, and business builder transfer, plus all of the benefits of being a designer. Your own e-com site, special pricing, commissions on products, and so much more. With the Basics Kit, you can dive in and choose the products you want to start your creative career. Share cute and fun ideas for the season that others are going to want to recreate for their own spaces and places. When you become a Chalk Couture independent designer, you can make things, share things, and show off all there is to love about a DIY holiday. And you can earn money doing it. Get your ho-ho holidays hopping with Chalk Couture. Reach out to your independent designer for information and inspiration, then grab one of these starter kits for just $99 US, 127 Canadian, and become a designer today.